was tired of dealing with dental problems. I'm 56 years old and I brush my teeth and floss and it doesn't matter. I've spent enough money to do this already just on dental work from the time I was 18 to now. I've easily bought this twice. I wanted to do something about it and just did a little bit of research. You guys were the third place I came to. I like that here that you were more personable. The doctor was more personable. The girls were fantastic and more personable. I have not had to have one thought about discomfort, flying, or eating. I've always enjoyed coming here. It's a 5.5 hour ride one way and never had a problem with it. It's just been a pleasant experience. This is not something that anyone should take lightly. You know, it is an expenditure. It does cost a fair amount of money, but there are things that are worth it in life. It really has truly been a great experience that I should have done it years ago. You're gonna have your good days and your bad days, but in the end, it all pays off. I'm 100% for it. I don't know why anybody would not do it.